3 mental games that narcissistic men use to get what they want from a woman. For many women, narcissistic men are very charming, for the same characteristics that distinguish them: how to look attractive to attract the eyes and thus obtain an audience. For example, men like this have a lot of self-confidence, and this is very charming for many people. In fact, there are women who, if they are not abandoned by the narcissist, can spend their whole lives with him thinking they are happy. They think, if he is so wonderful and chose me as his partner, it's because I am too, says psychiatrist Luis Risco. Narcissism is a personality disorder in which patients have strong inferiority complexes, but outwardly they behave in an arrogant and self-indulgent manner. According to a study conducted by the Journal of Psychiatric Research, a narcissist tends to manipulation and lies because he has a psychopathic tendency, so he uses 3 mental games to achieve his purposes. 1. Histrionic games. They are prone to invent a story and, in order to create everything, they are able to act up to the best melodrama if necessary, in order to achieve their goal. They can be the best actors and transmit what they want: trust, sadness, pity, and so on. Usually, they are more inclined to present themselves as a victim to achieve your compassion, emotional blackmail, and thereby be able to trap you in a simpler and safer way. 2. You're lucky. They are people who are always looking after their physical appearance, therefore, take care to take a balanced diet, try to exercise to have an attractive body, dress well, are clean, take care of their walk, their way of speaking and even what they say, to be the center of attention where they are. For all the above, they make you see that having a man like that, like him, by your side, should make you very happy because many women would like to have someone like that and, you are the lucky one. 3. He is complacent. This is one of his most common strategies to be able to conquer in such a way that you do not notice. He will show himself as the prince charm that every woman has ever dreamed, filling you with attention and details. At first, they will fill you with compliments to the extreme, will exaggerate your virtues, even more, will be prone to invent up attributes that you do not even have. Everything you are as a person and your abilities are going to be exaggerated by him, only in order to conquer you. The psychologist Peg Streep, author of Psychology Today, assures that the narcissist requires to have sentimental relationships but preferably of short duration and without commitment, in order to have other relationships that cover his needs. Sometimes some tend to have 2 relationships at the same time. For this reason, they choose to conquer at all costs the person who catches their attention and then they abandon them, without noticing how much they love him. So if you have any suspicion that you are living with a narcissist, listen to your instinct and stay away from him, if you do not want to take the risk of falling in love with a person who will never love you as you love him. Source: https://www.elsalvador.com. To learn more about 3 mental games that narcissistic men use to get what they want from a woman, please subscribe to this channel, share this video with others, like it, and download the book free by clicking the description below, and please let us know your opinions in the comments section below.